Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a really simple way how you can easily change currency position in WooCommerce. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, let's just refresh it. You just want to be in WooCommerce and click settings, and then you're gonna see it right here, currency position under the currency. Let me show you. Settings, WooCommerce settings, and just scroll down below, and then you're gonna see currency position here, and you can go from left to right to left with space or right with space. That's like really up to you which you choose. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and this is pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya.